In 2017, there were over 47 million people who rode their bikes in America, either for fitness, leisure, or for commuting. Lots of people like to ride their bicycles. In 2020, when other businesses were shuttering their doors and struggling to meet the changes of the 2020 COVID-19 pandemic, the cycling industry saw an 81% growth. It was crazy last year, and they're continuing to see that growth by adding $30.9 billion to the sector. And there's also a global shortage of bicycles and bike parts. That's just how crazy hot bicycles are. I love riding my bike. Lots of people love riding their bikes. I got a bike right here. It's great. So what if you're a small to medium-sized bike shop owner and you want to be able to sell online, but you don't want to hire a web development team or software developer to make you an e-commerce site? That's where Project Spoker comes in. Project Spoker is a MERN stack e-commerce application, and it's the brainchild for my devCodeCamp final project. Hey everybody, my name is Forrest Morrisey, and I'm a full stack developer and designer. Before I came to devCodeCamp and before the COVID-19 pandemic, I was a STEM educator and design educator, and I taught other subjects as well. Before I came to devCodeCamp, the only coding experience I had was Visual Basics and web design when I was in high school, which was over a decade ago. And then in the last year, I rediscovered my love for computer programming and for design when I was teaching Python to students at a school here in Milwaukee. This is the technologies that we're going to be using for our stack. It's MongoDB for the data, Express for the server, React for the front end, along with Bootstrap and Redux to make the site more friendly. We have Node.js, JSON Web Tokens for authentication, and then we're going to use Mongoose for all the data modeling. Very important for an e-commerce application. Let's go ahead and take our site for a test ride. Here it is. It's Project Spoker. Spoker is our e-commerce application. Let's go ahead and take a look, and we can browse for our products. I'm looking for a bike. It's called the Speed. There it is. Speed Concept 10. Ooh. I'm going to go ahead and buy this. Maybe this summer, if we're able to, I'm going to go get a time trial and maybe add another race number to my wall. And who knows, maybe a trophy. Let's go ahead and purchase our bicycle. And then we're going to head and do a curbside pickup. I want to be safe. I want to make sure the shop employees are safe. No biggie. I know my size. I'll just buy it and I'll pick it up right outside the store. Confirm our purchase. Let's go ahead and send a confirmation email. And then we're going to head back here to my profile. Now, if you see, I've bought quite a few bicycles, and that's okay. Look here, I can get some more information. The tracking numbers are automatically generated on the server. We can go ahead, and if I needed to, I could update my address information as needed right here. And let's head back to our storefront. We can go here, and we can see information about the store. Oh, cool, I got a free lube job after 1,000 miles. Not a bad deal. I can make a call here if I needed to. And the cool thing about this site is that it is fully mobile responsive. So just like that, I'm able to change the site to be mobile friendly. Look here, you can see that it's already adapted. It works well. I can continue to browse while I'm on a phone or a tablet like so. Let's head back. So the thing is about this MERN stack application and about Spoker is that I wanted to empower the user, empower the customer, and most importantly, empower you, the business owner. So let's go ahead and log out. Let's log back in as the shop owner. And then we're going to do a hard refresh. And here we go. We got more options available for us, the owner. Our owner is Kamal Jones. He's the shop owner. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at our inventory. All right, cool. We sold some bikes today. Here's that Speed Concept that I just sold. Let's go ahead and take a look over at our orders. There it is. Go back and I can see more information about the product. Let's say for some reason I had a typo or I wanted to add more information. I could do so easily. Maybe change the price or the images. I can do so like this. Or if I needed to remove it or delete it, I can do that as well. Let's go back. I can notify the customer about the bike that they just purchased. Let's head back. And then here we go. Here's the mountain bike that Mr. Morrisey bought. Let's go ahead and notify Mr. Morrisey as well. And then let's hop over to our favorite mail client. As you can see, I've just bought a bicycle. It's ready for curbside pickup. Here's the confirmation email with that little picture of the bicycle. And unfortunately, Mr. Smith and myself have decided to cancel our purchase. We just don't have the money. It's too bad, but that's okay. But before we do that, let's go ahead and look at our sales really quick. So here we have our orders for the sales. Here's our inventory. We can see here the difference between the shop revenue and the shop inventory. Hey, we're doing really good today. Here we've made over $7,000 in profits, and our margin is at 30% right now. We're doing pretty good. Now, like I said, unfortunately, Mr. Morrisey has decided to cancel his order, so we're going to go ahead and delete the order. And then if we go back to our products in the inventory and look for our speed concept, you'll see that it's already been added back into stock. We go to the storefront, the site is available for purchase already, just like that. No restocking fees, no moving it around, it's already done for you. Let's head back to the manager dashboard. We got our sales data, our orders, we got our inventory information. All right, cool. So that's Project Spoker. This was a labor of love. I worked 12 to 18-hour days over the holiday break to make this happen. I never thought I could make anything like this in my life. Last year, I was just drawing lines on a screen with simple Python code. Never did I realize that I could build something like this. I want to thank devCodeCamp from the bottom of my heart. And I want to thank my former cohorts and also former colleagues for inspiring me to be the best that I could be. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.